welcome to today's video. It is a PR unboxing. As you can tell from the title, I do these every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all my packages from the week and then we open them together so we can do some swatches. We can talk about everything in the comment section. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. Make sure that before we get started though, you guys don't forget to subscribe. I am posting 5 days a week now. So Monday through Friday, I have new uploads that I am putting up on my channel every single day during the week. So make sure you guys subscribe. Also, make sure you hit that bell notification. That way you guys get notified when I upload, because YouTube's been being funky lately with not letting people know when you have new videos out. Also, I've been noticing a lot of the people that I follow, I'm not seeing their new content as well. So if you guys want to make sure that you see every single video from me, make sure you hit the bell notification. And if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna get into this week came from Pixi Beauty, and this card here says Skin Rescue Essentials, restore, revive, and reveal your radiance. So let us see what is inside. So we got lots of glowy things. So the first one is this Jasmine Oil Blend. This is a Radiance Recover oil, so it's going to help with making your skin appear more radiant. So it says to use AM and PM. You can put it in with your moisturizer, so that's really nice. And then the next thing here is Glow Mist. I've wanted to try this for so long, so this is their Glow Mist. I think that this is supposed to be comparable to like the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist that everyone loves so much. So let's open it and see what it does. You guys know I love anything glowy, so I am looking forward to seeing, okay. Kind of has a weird scent to it, like almost like a peppermint scent. It smells pretty good though. All right, we're definitely looking super glowy, maybe a little too glowy. I should have only went with a few spritzes, but yeah, wow. That definitely made us like really, really glowy. All right, well, the Glow Mist definitely works, so that's exciting. And then the next thing in here is this Overnight Glow Serum. We are going to be super, super glowy. And then the last thing in here is this Oxygen Mask. This is a Glow Oxygen Mask, and it is a bubbling, enzyming mask. We are going to have super, super glowy skin. I love it. Thank you to Pixi for sending over all of these glowy products. Glowy products are my favorite, so I really appreciate it. The next box we're going to get into, it came from Purlisse, and the front of the box looks really dirty. I'm not really sure what happened there. So it says, travel around the world with Purlisse. So this has a travel kit of all of their essentials. So it says, jet set with Purlisse. Our best sellings are ready to take off. Take these Purlisse travel essentials with you on your next vacation. So it is minis. I love minis. Okay, so the first one in here is the Blue Lotus Essential Daily Moisturizer. I love this one. I have a couple of the full sizes. So this is like a little mini one. And then we also have in here the 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. This is also the Blue Lotus line. And this is going to help cleanse off your makeup. So we have a mini of that. And then this one right here, you guys know I've been loving this. I've talked about it a few times here on my channel. This is the Coconut Oil and Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. So we got a little mini of that. And then the last thing in here is the Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask. And this is an exfoliating mud mask. And so lots of little travel goodies. Oh, and there's also a mask in here. So this is the Coconut and Rice Nourishing Sheet Mask. So that's in here as well. So we've got 5 different products in here. And then there also is a little travel bag. So that's in here as well. It says Purlisse on it, a nice little silver bag. This is the perfect little set, actually. I love this. So it says here that if you use the secret code, it is TRAVEL for a free cosmetics bag with any $30 purchase. So you can get the same free Purlisse bag. And this is really cool. Thank you so much to Purlisse for sending these over to me. I will be sure to use them on my next vacation. I don't have any plans, but I will definitely use these when I travel next. This package came from Octali and Velvet 59, and it is a pair of lashes. So these are lashes in the style Skye. And I love these because they are so wispy. Look at how wispy these are. They just have like a very different look to them. I don't think I have any lashes like this just because they are so spread apart. I think these are really going to be really pretty, and I am excited to try them out. I've never tried anything from Velvet 59, so I'm excited to see what their lashes are like. These are vegan and cruelty free, so thank you so much to Velvet 59 and Octali. I can't wait to try out these lashes. Next package came over from Dermalogica. Brighten Skin from Within, new Biolumin-C Serum. So let's see what this is all about. It says Age Smart on it. So it will help brighten, exfoliate, and reduce unbalanced pigmentation. Also firm, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. That's what we need. And then also defend, prevents and corrects free radiation damage. So it looks like it's going to be a multi-purpose serum. So I am excited to try this out. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, we have this cute little bag. Look at this fun little bag. Let me see if there's anything in here. Nope, it's just a cute little bag from them. And then here is the serum. So this is, again, the brightening vitamin C serum. So thank you to Dermalogica. I've got lots of new serums to try out, and I love anything that is anti-aging, so I'm definitely going to be trying this one out tonight and seeing how it works. I really, really love Dermalogica's skincare. I feel like their skincare is one of my favorite brands for skincare because I feel like they have a lot of benefits that really help with your skin. So this will probably be a good one. Thank you guys so much for sending that over. And the last two packages we are going to get into came over from MAC. So we have first the Patrick Starrr Summer Collection. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Look at how pretty this packaging is. It's all wrapped like a little present. So let's open it up. I haven't got to look in this yet, obviously. So let me see. I feel like this is pretty hard to get out. I'm going to cut it actually. I got some scissors right here. Cut the pretty bow. All right, now let's see. So inside of here, we have the powder. It looks like this is a hot and heavy face powder. I love the packaging. Look at how cool that is. How fun for summer. Ooh, this is pretty. So this is a face powder. So it looks like more of like a luminous bronzer. I love the detail in that as well. Actually, this might actually be a highlight. It does look like more like a highlight. It's like a golden highlight. So let me swatch it for you guys. Get a good swatch. That's really pretty. So here is the swatch of the highlights. That is gorgeous. So it's a nice gold highlight. And then let's see what is inside of here. I'm not all sure what comes in this collection. I believe it's probably going to be an eyeshadow palette and then some lip products. So let me see here. Okay, so we have 4 pieces to this collection. So the first thing is the Give Me Life Bronzing Powder. So this is going to be a bronzer. And then the next part of the collection is the eyeshadow quad. I love this packaging, it's so cute. And here is what that looks like. So these are super berry shades, loving these tones lately. And let me swatch this for you guys. I'm sure it's gonna be Matt's typical formula, but look at how pretty swatch this is. Let me know if you guys want to see like a first impressions with it. But here's a little bit of swatching from the palette. And then also in here we have 2 different lip colors. And it looks like these are nudes, which I love, 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 love getting nude shades. So let me show you guys these. So the first one is, I can't read this one because there's writing over top of it. So I'm not sure which this one is, but this is a gloss. So here's that one. It's going to be a nude gloss. And then let me see. I can't tell what the shade is because there is writing over top of it, but I will figure it out and I'll let you guys know. And then this one is going to be a Fashion Punch. So they are both glosses. So here's Fashion Punch. So here they both are swatched. Let me look on my paperwork and see if I can see what the name of the first one was. So the lip gloss is Pale Peach and then Cream Pie Lip Gloss. So these are the 2 shades of the 2 lip glosses. And then we have the eyeshadow palette, which is called Heat Stroke, and then the Give Me Life Bronzing Powder. So this is going to be a set, and it's going to be $49 $50, and then the face powder, which is the highlight, is going to be $34. It says that these will be available on June 7th. So new collection from MAC and Patrick Starrr. Beautiful. Let me know, like I said, if you guys want to see a review on this or you want to see a first impressions, let me know and I will be more than happy to do that for you guys. And we actually got a second package from MAC this week, and this one has brand new brow products. And I actually had this really cool sleeve on this that has such cool design on it. You can tell they really put a lot of effort into this package. But these are brand new brow stylers. So we have here, it says find your perfect match. So we have an eyebrow styler. And then we also have the Shape+Shade Brow Tint. So we have two different new brow products from MAC. Let me show you guys what they are. I actually have one of them on my eyes right now, or my brows. This is the Shade and Shape Brow Tint, and I have mine in the shade Tapered. That is what I have on my brows right now. So here is what it looks like. It's actually just like a little marker, which is really, really different. So it is a marker, and I do have it on my brows, like I said. It does feel a little bit wet when you're applying it. So here's kind of a little swatch of this one. Like I said, this is the shade Tapered. So I think it is a little bit light, but you can definitely apply more pressure. What I did like is when I was using it in the front of my brows to get like those brow strokes, I feel like it was really helpful for that. I don't know if I would use this to fill in my full brow. I did it today. But I think it works best more for like getting those brow-like strokes, which is awesome. And it's definitely very different. And let me show you guys the other one. This is the Brow Styler. So I have mine, the one I pulled out is Tapered. And let me show you guys this one, if I can get it open. This one is gonna be more of like a brow pencil. So here is what that one looks like. So it's just a really slim pencil. And you are gonna have your product on this side. So let me swatch it here. It does feel like it's going to be more of like a waxy brow product, which is always nice. And then let me show you guys, it just has a spoolie on the other side as well. So brand new brow products, and then they sent over a bunch of different shades too, so I can figure out which shade works best for me. Let me read on my paperwork. I always love MAC because they always give these out so you know exactly what each product costs and when it's coming out and everything. So the Brow Styler is going to be $18, and then the Shape+Shade Brow Tint is going to be $21, and these are available now. So big thank you to MAC for sending over those brow products to me. I'm always excited to try out new brow products. Someone who struggles with their brows, I always look for something that's going to help me shape them, and I think that those actual brow stylers are really going to help with the front of my brows, so I'm excited about those. Thank you, MAC, for both of those packages. Also really excited about the Patrick Starrr collection. Let me know, if, like I said, if you guys want to see a review on anything I mentioned in today's video. Huge thank you to the rest of the brands for those packages as well, and thank you guys for making these videos possible for me. Do not forget to subscribe down below before you guys head out. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in Monday's video. Bye, guys.